Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello my students, I hope that you're doing well. The last time we start talking about a new lesson. This lesson talks about many cultural activities staged in the United States of America, and these activities or performances talk especially about Shakespeare works. Okay. زي ما حكينا المرة الماضية شرحنا ثلاث فعاليات مشهورات جدا في أمريكا. Today we'll be talking about the three and the last performances or activities also shown in United States of America. And the most important thing that these all of them were for free. يعني كلهم مجانا. تمام. Okay, this time we will talking about Seattle Outdoor Theater Festival. If you want to look at this festival, we can go to these pictures. Okay, take a look. These are some pictures from Seattle Outdoor Theater Festival. Okay, as always, we used to find these kinds of festivals outdoor. كلهم عم تلاحظ انها عروض خارجية. تمام. Okay. Now we will start reading. Now in its 12th year, سنتها الثانية عشر, the Seattle Outdoor Theater Festival is bigger and bigger than ever. يعني عم بتحسن أفضل وصار كثير مشهور. This year the festival will be held, يعني سوف يقام over 2 days. For how many days? لكم يوم? 2 days. Okay, with an incredible 7 performances. How many performances? كم أداء عندي راح يكون؟ 7 a day في اليوم الواحد. Staged in the amphitheater and the museum lawn. Okay, so if you wanted to check these two words, amphitheater and museum lawn, we can go to the pictures again, and this is what we call museum lawn. زي ما انتم شايفين, lawn means grass, يعني هو العشب. Actually what we have inside this museum and the ground is the grass here, as you can watch this one. Okay, amphitheater, this one, and this one is the Roman theater inside the downtown Amman. I think all of you know this one. This is what we call amphitheater. Okay, so Shakespeare fans will be well catered for with the Bard's most famous works. يعني الجماهير هذول كلهم راح يشوفوا, راح يتعرفوا على كتم تزويدهم بأعمال the most famous works, يعني أشهر أعمال لمين؟ لا someone who is called the bard. bard معناها نقدر نحكي بالعربي اللي هو زي أمير الشعراء. Which one is the bard here? What do you think? Shakespeare. Okay, Shakespeare is the bard here. Why is Shakespeare called the bard? Okay, so once you write down the bard on Google, you will find all the researches or the results talks about this man, who's Shakespeare. Why did they call him the bard? Because he wrote many poems. كتب كثير من الشعر, عشان هيك بسموه أمير الشعراء. Okay, so these are some of his famous works. Okay, as Othello, Twelfth Night, Caesar, all of these works. Okay, the most famous works of him performed, يعني راح يتم أدائهم, يعني راح يتم تقديمهم. اوكي, لأنها كلها بالنهاية عروض مسرحية by some of the city's most distinguished theater groups, يعني أشهر مجموعات المسرح المميزة في المدينة. but it is not all highbrow performances، يعني مش كلهم يعني عبارة عن أداءات يعني عالية الثقافة خلينا نسميها. طبعا في هون عندي ال it and there is a question here. These are some of the questions. Okay, what does the underlined word it refer to? This one that I mean it here. Okay, what does it refer to? Not all highbrow performances. Children's classic Hansel and Gretel. You can go there, and if you write down you will find many information about this one, Hansel and Gretel. Okay, Hansel and Gretel. I can find a movie about this one and many things about this work. Okay, now children's classic Hansel and Gretel will keep even the most demanding youngsters amused. يعني حتى في عندنا عروض للأطفال اللي هم الهانسل and Gretel. Okay, remember these are all day events، راح يكون طول اليوم. So bring a picnic or treat yourself to one. يعني جهز حالك إنه to one of the tastiest hot dogs you've ever tried. Even if you go there will be a special food for you. راح يكون في عندك كمان ايش طعام served by Danet's Inferno Dogs، يعني اسم الشركة او الناس اللي بيقدموا هذا النوع من الطعام الهوت دوغ. Okay, so that was everything about Seattle Outdoor Theater Festival. So you have to know the most important thing. You have to know what is happening inside this festival. Okay, this festival generally talks about the bard. Do you remember who is the bard? مين هو البارد؟ اللي هو أعمال شكسبير. I think that was everything about this paragraph. Once you finish, you have to go to these questions. Mention 3 of Shakespeare works that are mentioned in the text. يعني حسب اللي وردوا معانا في النص. The performances will be shown in 2 places. Write them down. What does the underlined? We talked about this one. And the last one, find a word from the paragraph that means famous. Okay, when you finish, send me the answers. Thank you very much.